Good day! Today, I will present to you our capstone research study entitled Rice Straw Ash and Capiz Gel as a potential raw materials in production of ceramic pots. Ceramic pots tend to be made of denser, less porous, earthen material, and they always glaze, both inside and out. Pottery is a unique art of making artifacts from clay. It produces different kinds of clay and ceramic items, such as flower pots, water, and grain storage jars, large vessels for distilling rice spirits called rakshi, cooking pots, tableware, stoneware, cups, bowls, and plates, stoneware, pitcher, and mugs. The country has a good potential for biomass power plants, as 1/3 of the country's agricultural land produces rice, and consequently, large volume of rice straw and hulls are generated. The most common agricultural waste in the Philippines are rice husks, rice straw, coconut husks, coconut shell, and bagasse. Capiz shell are usually as raw material for home decoration and construction. Marine shell waste have been popular as a recycled material for many types of construction due to its characteristics which resemble limestone that is similar to cement raw materials, and if it is processed into shell ash, cement, it can be substituted or blended with Portland. And this time, we are going to discuss about the objective of this research. Generally, this study sought to determine the comparison between the commercial flower pots and varying ratio of rice straw ash and capiz gel in terms of their quality in terms of their purpose. Specifically, it aims to answer the following. Is there a significant difference among the durability with a different varying ratio of rice straw ash and capiz gel? Is there a significant difference in weight gain of flower pots among the varying ratio of rice straw ash and capiz gels? Is there a significant difference among the varying ratio of rice straw ash and capiz gels and commercial pots in terms of their compressive strength? And here, our hypothesis. There is no difference among the durability with a different varying ratio of rice straw ash and capiz gel. There is no significant difference in weight gain of flower pots among the varying ratio of rice straw ash and capiz gel. There is no significant difference among the varying ratio of rice straw ash and capiz gel and commercial pots in terms of their compressive strength. In this section, we're going to discuss about the methodology of this research. This section clearly defines, present, and discuss the research methods in achieving the objectives of the study. Collection of raw materials, preparation of materials, preparation of capiz gels and rice straw ash, pot making process, formation of ceramic pots, baking and drying of pots, water absorption process, testing of compressive strength. Using the ratio, capiz gel is to rice straw ash. The sample 1 contains 1:2 cups. Sample 2 contains 2:1 cups. And sample 3 contains 2:2 cups ratio. And the commercial that is available in the market is made of natural raw materials of ceramics, which is clay. Pot making process, formation of ceramic pot, baking and drying of pot, water absorption process, testing of compressive strength. And now we're going to discuss about the data collection. Water absorption level of varying pots. The respective water absorption level of each sample pots were calculated. The mass of each pot were measured using a weighing scale before submerged in water for a period of 18 hours. It was then pulled out from the water and put in a dry place. After all the samples were completely pulled out, they were weighed again in a weighing scale. The difference of the before submerging in the water, mass and aftermass of each sample pots were the amount of the water absorbed by the pot in a unit kilograms. Compressive strength of the pots. Each pots have the same number of size, were put individually under the force made manually with the use of 2 pieces of hardwood and bags of cement that serves as the weights. The mass of the weights was being added on the unit. The pot reached the weakening state that eventually led to its breakdown. The respective mass of weight that made the pot collapse were measured using weighing scale and represents the compressive strength of each sample pots. In conclusion, based on the thorough study of the findings, the result analyzes what presents that there is a significant difference among the durability with different varying ratio of rice straw ash and capiz gel from the commercial pot in terms of their compressive strength. The use of the rice straw ash and pulverized capiz gel significantly improves strengthen the durability of the pots. On the other hand, one pot varying pot sample was soaked on a large bowl of full water, allowing the pot to absorb more water. The result analyzing the work present that there is a significant difference in weight gain of pots among the varying ratio of rice straw ash and Capiz and commercial pot. Therefore, the researchers concluded that utilizing rice straw ash and pulverized copper shell as a raw material has a great potential in production of ceramic pots. Based on the findings of the study and the foregoing conclusions, there are significant differences among the durability with different varying ratio of rice straw and Capiz gel from commercial pots in terms of compressive strength, and the researchers recommend to try the other raw materials to pulverize that can strengthen the durability of the pots.